In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your eBay store to TopDawg. Before getting started, note that connecting an eBay store to TopDawg requires a Fruition account. If you don't already have one, you'll be guided through creating it during this process. If you already have an eBay store, select Connect Existing Store. If you don't have one yet, select Build New Store. Next, from the list of available integrations, select eBay by clicking on the eBay tile. If you're connecting an existing eBay store, choose Connect Store. Otherwise, choose the option to open a store and continue. At this stage, you'll be prompted to connect or create a Fruition account, which is required to complete the eBay integration. When prompted, select Sign in with eBay and follow the steps to log in to your eBay account. Once you've successfully signed in, finalize the connection by clicking Agree and Continue. You'll then complete your Fruition registration. Check your email for the activation code sent by Fruition. Enter the activation code, create a password for your Fruition account, and click Complete Account Registration. That's it. Your eBay store is now connected to TopDawg and ready to use. When you're ready to start syncing products, you can upgrade your plan at any time. Upgrading allows you to seamlessly sync your products and manage your listings directly from TopDawg. One important thing to note when logging into your Fruition account, be sure to use the store name as your username.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.